Do you practice self-compassion? Every time you fail, suffer, be kind to yourself.
Jest Diary Day 1. 3 things you are grateful for. Jest Diary Day 2. What would you like to improve on? Jest Diary Day 3. What's your personalized biggest strength that would accelerate your personal development?
Fear of unknown is among the top fears that keep you away from achieving your optimum potential. On day 4 of Jest Diary, we are going to check through our lives and check the fears that have been standing in our way to personal growth and development. What do you think is your fear and how are you planning to conquer it? Leave a comment down below. Procrastination is the thief of time. What is that one thing that you have been postponing doing for the longest time possible? Why are you not doing it? On day 5 of the Jest Diary, we are going to look at the things that are delaying our processes of achieving our goals and readjust and realign and just do the needful. If it's something you can do today, just do it and fix it. Leave a comment down below if you have that one thing that is delaying your personal development. Having a role model is key to your personal growth. Can you imagine if you have someone you're looking up to? And of course, it has to be someone who is doing better than you. On Jest Diary Day 6, we're going to look at that person that you admire and you try and see what they're doing that you like. And also, you can maybe engage or reach out to them to just see if they can mentor you. Leave a comment below if you have ever reached to your role model or you actually have one, and maybe you can note what you like about them and look at what they do that makes you admire them. Do you have a belief that makes you think that you're not worthy or you cannot do better? On Jest Diary Day 7, we are going to look through at those things, those beliefs that delay our process. You say maybe your family never makes it, your family has not had anyone who has been successful. I don't know, your family. It's not about your family. It's about you first, and then the people around you, whether your family, friends, peers, colleagues, but at least you have set a foundation for you. Look through and check that belief that is delaying your personal development and growth. Do you practice self-compassion? Every time you fail, suffer, be kind to yourself. You don't know what the cause of the suffering could be. You don't know where you have failed at times. At the same time, even if you do, pick your pieces and start again or continue with the journey. It's not the end of the road. On Jest Diary Day 8, we evaluate how can I practice self-compassion today. Leave a comment down below with how you practice self-compassion.